Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Imaginary Friend. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song, and the introduction has 3 chords to play. The first shape is a C major chord, which is a 3 on the A, 2 on the D, open G, 1 on the B, and an open E. We don't play the low E string for this chord. Chord number 2 is a G major chord, which is a 3 on the E, 2 on the A, 0, 0, and then 3, 3 on the B and E. If you're familiar with G without this finger, so you have an open B string, feel free to use that one. It's just 2 different voicings of the same chord. Both work perfectly for this song. The last chord that we need is an F major chord, which is a 3 on the D, 2 on the G, 1, 1 on the B and E. And what happens is we play the C chord for 2 beats, the G for 2 beats, and F major 4 beats. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In terms of strumming, what we do is we're going to be palm muting, so I'm taking this part of my hand, resting it lightly on the strings, and for the C chord, I'm playing down, 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 up. Then for the G, down, up, down, 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 up. Which is down, up, down, 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 up. Nice and steady there. Putting those 2 together, we get. Then we take the same pattern and play all for the F. So slowly, all of that together in one go is. So for the introduction, you will take those chords and play it round once. Then after that, Gracie starts to sing for the first verse. And it is worth mentioning that if you'd like the chord chart for this song, which has the full set of chords with all the structure of the song, as well as another sheet of the chords and the lyrics matched together. Let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric go together. Heading over to Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 850 songs of all the latest releases, including a ton of Gracie Abrams songs. However, let's delve in with the rest of the song. Now, looking over to my notes, basically, the rest of the song is just the same chords over and over, but the main difference is how we play the chords. What you'll find is the first verse, we take those chords and loop them around 4 times before the chorus kicks in. And on the 4th time round, we're going to sustain the F chord like this. 2, 3, 4. So sustain just means play it once, let it ring out. 2, 3, 4. That provides a nice bit of difference to our playing. When we get to the chorus, we can then have some full-on strumming instead of palm muting, like this. I'm taking the same strumming pattern, I'm just then full-on strumming rather than palm muting. I'm also trying to make it that little bit louder. Also, when I'm playing, I'm not always playing every note of the chord that I'm on. So for example, that becomes really clear during the G chord. I can focus around the higher strings. And then when I get to the F, I can go back to all of the strings. And that again adds a little bit of texture to our playing, which makes the chords sound interesting. So if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And consider getting the extra material over on Patreon. A quick thanks to the people on the screen. Those are my active patrons. There's well over 120 of us at the moment. So when this video goes live, they'll get instant access to that extra content that I mentioned earlier. So thanks to them for their support. Thanks to you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.